कैप एक स्मॉल कैप करके मध्ये हजी एक स्मॉल कैप कर स्मॉल कैप ने फटाफट मध्ये स्मॉल कैप कर रिस्क भी होय बट बेटा છે ને લોકો સ્મોલ કેપ પર મિડ કેપ એક નથી તાર પાસે સ્મોલ કેપ મિડ કેપ અને મલ્ટી કેપ અને ત્રણેયનું એક જો અને હું અહીંયા
સ્મોલ કેપમાં રિસ્ક રહેશે
હા એ કેવું હોય લાર્જ કેપ મિડ કેપ અને સ્મોલ કેપ લાર્જ કેપમાં ઇન્ડિયાની ટોપ 250 કંપનીઝ આવે
And what we'll do is we'll next what
They are too
we'll
big
do
to
is
fail.
once we get these total
એટલી મોટી થઈ ગઈ છે
company
રિલાયન્સ
stock,
રાતોરાત તે પડશે
we'll go to companies by
એમાં રિસ્ક
booking
ઓછું
date,
હોય તો
we'll
ગ્રોથ
add
બી
booking
ઓછું
dates
લાર્જ
with
કેપ
booking dates.
પછી મિડ કેપ મિડ કેપ બી બહુ મોટી મોટી કંપની જે હોય પર ખાલી રિસ્ક બી ઓછું હોય પર આ લોકોનું ગ્રોથ વધારે હોય કારણ કે દે આર ટ્રાઇંગ ટુ કમ ઇનટુ
Put order by also.
એટલે મિડ કેપમાં ઝોમેટો સ્વિગી એટલા મોટા નથી પહોંચ્યા એચપી એ આવી મોટી મોટી કંપની છે મિડ કેપમાં ને સ્મોલ કેપમાં બી કેમ હોય ટાઇટન તનિષ ને આ બધા સ્મોલ કેપમાં છે આ બી મોટી મોટી કંપની છે પણ સ્મોલ કેપમાં પછી આપણે ના સાંભળે એવી બી કંપની હોય અને આ લોકો જે બેઠા હોય ને રિસર્ચ કરે લોકોને કોઈક ફંડ મળ્યું કે અરે કોઈક નવું સ્ટાર્ટઅપ આવ્યું છે ચાલો આગળ ચાલીને બહુ સરસ રહેશે એમાં નાખ્યું તો ડબલ થયું ફટાફટ સ્મોલ કેપ પર કારણ કે સ્મોલ કેપમાં ટોપ 500 છોડીને પછી બધી સ્મોલ કેપ ટોપ 250 લાર્જ કેપ નેક્સ્ટ 250 મિડ કેપ રિટર્ન વધારે ખપતું હોય તો લાર્જ કેપમાં ના નાખો તમે મિડ કેપમાં નાખો સ્મોલ કેપમાં નાખો
And then the numbers will match once you add the negative back. So it's not an audit issue, but it's a company called the company.
આની વેલ્યુ ઓછી દેખાય છે પણ બેલેન્સ શીટની વેલ્યુ બહુ સરસ છે આગળ જઈને આ પક્કું વધશે પછી એમ હા એમ બી હોય સ્મોલ કેપમાં એકાદી કંપની ફેલ બી જાય આ લોકો બેઠા હોય લોકોને સમજે ને કે અગર આ કંઈક ન્યૂઝ ગલત આવી ઝટેમાંથી વેચીને બીજો ખરીદી લે એટલે સ્મોલ કેપ પર્સન્ટેજ રિટર્ન દેશો ને તો 30% 40% છે મિડ કેપનું બી તમે જોશો તો 25 થી 30% આસપાસ હશે સ્મોલ કેપનું 40% હશે અને લાર્જ કેપનું તમે 20% 25% હશે એટલે તમને એમ છે કે ઇમરજન્સી વાળા ફંડ્સ કે મારા કોઈકને એમ છે કે મારા ફંડ્સ ડૂબી ના જાય 10 વર્ષ પછી તો પછી લાર્જ કેપમાં ને એમ નાખી દેવા ને એવું છે કે ચલો યાર થોડુંક તો રિસ્ક લેવું જોઈએ યાર નહીં ડૂબવું કે ના જોઈએ થોડુંક તો રિસ્ક લેવું જોઈએ તો મિડ કેપમાં અને સ્મોલ કેપમાં રિસ્ક વધારે છે અને એ બી કેમ થાય ને જ્યારે માર્કેટ પડે સ્મોલ કેપ સૌથી વધારે સ્મોલ કેપમાં તમને થોડું પ્રોફિટ જેટલું કમાણા છે ઓછું દેખાવા મળશે પણ પછી બીજા દિવસે વાપસ વધારે દેખાશે મારું સ્મોલ કેપમાં વધારે છે મિડ કેપ કે
Until now, I'm running in CDA.
કેટલા વર્ષનું 3 વર્ષ કર્યું છે 1 વર્ષ સુધી
Whatever data transferred in CDA, there are no.
So now you can, what you can do is while she's working on it, add
GM
booking
mid
date
cap
to the last one. And booking date between May, greater than May 31st and less than
એ તો ચેન્જ થાય ને
Emma, can you run the query whatever?
પહેલા
Where did you send it?
Email.
Okay, I just
So
sent
in
it.
all of
I just sent
the
it.
કયું છે સ્મોલ કેપ
In Claim Center, right? Okay.
everything is claim center till we say otherwise.
Okay.
અને વળી તમે લાર્જ કરો ખાલી યા મિડ કરો
Because
ખાલી
we got to
એના
like
કરતા એક
how
લાર્જ
we
એન્ડ
can
મિડ
run
બી
the
છે
data house also. We got to
એ
break
વધારે
that
better
9
છે.
by company calling data house.
એ જો લાર્જ એન્ડ મિડ બી જો
Got it?
Progress.
હાઇબ્રિડ એટલે ત્રણે થઈ ગયું
Okay, while that's running, go to data house
Flexibility.
recovery.
Okay.
multi cap funds
Yeah,
invest
it's
in
running
companies
there.
of all
It's
sizes
running right now.
and
You want me
across
to run
sectors
another one?
unlike large or
So
mid
in
cap
data
funds
house, then we
they
got
can
the
decide
select
how
option.
much
Let's
to
start a new one,
allocate.
yeah. Select.
Unlike large or mid cap funds, they can decide how
A
much
different
to
one or
allocate. It will be
That's
mid-sized and small
why
companies.
Okay.
This flexibility allows them to make changes in the portfolio as market
Hit
conditions
first,
change.
enter. We'll worry about
Exposure to
selecting
all key sectors
From
driving the Indian company. Ideal for investment
last
horizon of
brand.
5+ years.
Mid અમારું small નથી બે mid છે ને એક large છે.
Keep that call that
લાર્જ નું
LD.
ઓછું હશે રિટર્ન
હા.
મિડ નું
Okay.
વધારે છે
Save.
મિડનું ઓલમોસ્ટ 92% છે.
ઓહ.
Let's join
કયું છે?
મોતીલાલ.
here claim policy. Right? Underwriting company is in claim policy, right? Or is it in claim?
अभी अभी रिसेंट
Underwriting
इसलिए
company,
डाले
it's on our
एक क्वांटम मिड के अभी
Yes, claim policy, right?
कितने साल का? एनुअलाइज कितना है? कौन सा
एनुअल
है?
65
So
एनुअल
if it was in CC policy, then sub in CC claim policy.
पर annum.
Yes, claim policy.
हाँ पर
तो शायद लिस्ट भेजा तो क्या है क्या
The underwriting company, if you try to do with policy, such policy, you want to use the CC policy. Yes, or right, but then CS are same. Via what?
2% per annum.
I have policy.
But that number will never balance, right?
अच्छा,
Because
जैसे-
you have to come from CC
हाँ 6
policy.
महीना हुआ.
But we are
नहीं
loading
नहीं ये
into
कम हो
policy.
जाएगा वो अभी 92 दिख रहा है.
वो अभी
नहीं
मोटा
वो
वाला
कम
ना
हो
इसलिए।
जाएगा. पॉइंट का मिड कैप नो
And from CC policy.
65.
Correct. So this will be CC policy underwriting company, right? So underwriting CC policy because they have claim policy, not
तो जो
policy
हमारे-
delta, CS policy delta.
We are doing
You are loading CS policy delta from CC policy also.
फ्लेक्सिबल
Okay.
कर दे नहीं है तेरे पास तो मिल गया
Wow. Okay.
because of the
अब न्यू
because
रीजन में कुछ
legacy
नहीं
policy,
मिलता है ना.
legacy
अबे-
claim, which doesn't
आ
have policy.
आज जो
So you load a minimum
हम अभी
policy
आवेदन-
information into policy delta.
The
Okay.
bare minimum.
Okay. So then in that case, we're going to do it this way. Go back to that
We
previous
load
note.
company very. We load
और आप
company.
पारिक भी कर
The bare
सकते
minimum.
हैं
Or get in. Yeah, yeah. So let's actually go back to the whole thing. Now we could be at the issue of last day join. How you're doing on this.
Okay, this is complete. You want result?
Didn't even go there.
टाटा में 240.
So how are you going to ask them? Because the company code is data in your audit side.
Just, I mean,
टाटा बैंकिंग
or
लास्ट
through policy.
अभी ये
Right,
कुछ
but
ऐसे
doing
फंड्स
policy
हैं
done, that means
जो
you're doing
आपको लग
policy
रहा है कि
done.
let's say
That
सिर्फ
means you're
बैंकिंग
using data
के
blocks
स्टॉक्स
to
चाहिए
join
आपको,
to
बैंकिंग
policy
सेक्टर
data.
पड़ेगा.
Okay.
तो सिर्फ इसमें बैंक वाला ही
Go
है.
back to that.
इसमें लार्ज भी आएगा, स्मॉल भी आएगा, सब आ जाएगा. सिर्फ
Yeah,
This is the result. Yes.
हाँ.
Okay, so can
वो
you
बिग
copy
बैंक
these
की देखो
results
ना.
and part them into data
अब
print
इसने
out,
मतलब
please?
डाला था, इसलिए बैंक पड़ गया अभी.
If she copies to Excel,
ये भी महीना
Yeah,
भी
we
नहीं
can copy them
हुआ.
into Excel, yeah, copy them.
4
Because they
तारीख
only
को
4 lines.
गिरा था ना.
हाँ.
आज
Yeah,
1
the
तारीख
new
को.
sheet here,
एक महीना भी
put
हुआ.
up there. And this is put from claim center in the, on the top, you insert a row on row number 1.
so what is the? Huh? Oh, there is no null company.
Right. So we got everything that's from claim center.
Amount.
करना ही है.
No, no, in row number 1,
डॉक्टर
insert a row.
के
Because
हमारे
we're going to
उनको
pass
भी मिला.
take the
महीने
data
3
from
लाख
row
की
to the
ऐसे
next
ही
thing. So
कर.
we insert a row above row number 1.
खुद के नाम से मतलब
I don't know if I can.
ये
I don't know if I.
वाइफ भी
Do you want
डॉक्टर
so you want
ही
me
है.
to do? Okay.
Right, now put on that row title,
like I
merge
said.
all the 4 cells
हर
and
साल-
call it
हर
from
महीने.
claim
हर
center.
महीने.
हर महीने एवरी मंथ
First row.
Okay. I'll just say from
Huh?
Claim Center.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
हर महीने 2-5 लाख की
Now,
FD
go to-
2-3 लाख 2
Can
लाख
we
की
go to
FD
data hub query, please?
Mm-hmm.
Data window, okay. From CS land on CS policy delta, not claim policy.
I think I have a joint that we give.
એને પપ્પા જમાવી દીધા છે પૂરું બાંધકામ પોતાનું રેન્ટ નથી કાંઈ ખર્ચ નથી બધું પ્રોપર્ટી છે બધું ઘર છે
ડોક્ટર હતા.
હા એ જ લાતૂરના મોટા ડોક્ટર હતા એમનો દીકરો ઈ ગુજરી
I wish I
ગયા
could take
ઈશ્વર
control
રાઠોડ
over your screen.
I wish you can too. I'm
હા
telling
રાઠોડ રાઠોડ ડોક્ટર
But you can. I mean, the easiest way is for you to write it and
Hi,
paste it.
Latur.
But I have it here.
હા
Let's
ઈ
continue.
Then let's
Third
policy
by
delta
check.
PD.
Okay,
Right.
quickly. Uh-huh.
Last one is LT, policy delta is
Third
PD.
by
So
check.
you
એક
get,
by doctor,
but now
એક
you
by
get a hang of my
contractor.
title. Space on
ત્રીજો ભાઈ પ્રિન્ટિંગનું બિઝનેસ
LT dot
પ્રિન્ટિંગ
policy ID.
ધ્યાનમાં
LT dot policy.
અને ક્યારે
LT dot
પપ્પાએ
policy.
એમના પપ્પાએ જમીન લીધી હતી
That is LT dot what?
There you go.
Policy, policy. Okay. Mm-hmm.
6
Is
એકર
equal to PD dot policy.
મેન આમાં MIDC રોડ ઉપર તો 3 ભાગ કર્યા 2 એકર 2 એકર 2 એકર
Not
ત્રણે
PD,
મહિને 2
PD.
એકર
Your
Oh,
area
PD,
is
sorry.
20 crores માં
Sorry.
એક
એક એક.
હા
space and
10 કરોડમાં એક એકર
अच्छा.
તો વેચાઈ હમણાં
CD
સૌથી
dot.
પહેલા ભાઈએ વેચી 20 કરોડમાં વેચી નાખી પૂરી 2 એકર
CTL underscore cur underscore
હા
लोग ले भी तो
Which
બે
one?
બી નથી 1.5
The
એકર
cover of
છે.
line.
હા હા
The third
તો
one.
એના સરસ
Now,
જગ્યા છે અને આ લોકોના 1.5
Third
એકરમાં
one.
સામે 3 મજલાનું
Yeah,
મોટું
now
હોસ્પિટલ બનાવ્યું
double click on
50
is
beds
equal to yes, capital
1500
Y,
બેડ્સનું હોસ્પિટલ
equal to single
અને
quote Y,
પાછળ બંગલો
capital
બનાવ્યો
Y.
એમ બંગલો
just
બી
why?
5 BHK મોટું બંગલો છે ગાર્ડન
Mhm.
છે
Put one more single quote in the beginning, please, on both sides, because
ये
it's
वही
a
फैमिली
string.
है ना ये गुलपरी नाम
I thought you said just white. Okay. Mhm.
गीता राठौर मत छो
Space
हाँ
and
गीता राठौर એટલી जी
गीता राठौर सब जानते हैं बिलासपुर में भी वो पूजा दीदी के
ઈ
ससुराल में
ઘટકના
LT
બી ઓળખે
dot.
ગીતા રાઠોડ ઈ જે સેકન્ડ ભાઈ છે જે પ્લોટિંગ
not
કરે છે
underscore DE,
કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન બિઝનેસમાં છે હાર્ડવેરની શોપ છે એમના વાઈફ છે
greater
બટ
than or equal
એમના
to.
વાઈફ અને ઈ ડૉક્ટરના વાઈફ બંને એકબીજા સાથે વાત ના કરે એટલે આમ કામ પૂરતું જ
TD
અને
dot.
કાલે તિથિ બી હતી તો બોલાવ્યા હતા કરી દિવાળીની ગમે જશે
ETL.
બાકી હા અને અમે બી બોલાવ્યા અમારા ફંક્શનમાં તો આ સવારે આવીને આ લેજે પછી
Which
બપોરે
one?
આવે
तो ये लोग
અવોઇડ
END
કરી
effective.
દીધા
END, EFF.
પર ભાઈઓ બી
Now on.
વાત કરે ને
Yeah.
તો ભાઈઓ બંને વાત કરે
Space and
Wow.
નિમિતા
Lot
ભાભીજી
there.
છે ને તમે કહો છો એ બહુ
LT
બદમાશ છે
dot last day.
તો એના સાથે અમે લોકો બી એટલું વાત ના કરે
Second one, less than. TD dot.
એની બહુ
ETL.
બહુ બી છે એટલે એ લોકોને અગર ના ગમે તો ઘણી
And
વાર મંચ માટે બી
XVDF.
માંગ આવે તો કે ના ના ધજ નથી ના પાડી દેવું
Now
એવું
go
બી
to
બોલ્યા
your
હતા
सामने वालों
હા
को ना जोई
હા
Mhm.
કદાચ મારા માટે બી
One
બોલ્યા
more
હશે.
thing, right? You gotta do one more drawing. You gotta.
ખાલી બોલ્યા
And
નહીં
then
હોય,
put
નહીં
left
હોય.
and
કાંઈ
enter.
પ્રોપર્ટી એટલી તો છે પ્રોપર્ટી
Another left join.
Left
ને
join.
અલસુ બી બોલે છે
TS or
ખબર નહીં આપણે
save.
બટ એમ જેમ કે આપણે મીના
TS
ભાભીને
organization.
ઈશ્વરભાઈના
TS underscore
વાઈફ છે
organization.
મીના
मोटा
મોટાવાળા મીના અને આ મીતા એટલે હવે એ બી કન્ફ્યુઝ કે મીતા કે મીના
Mhm.
તો ઈ તો 100% એમ બોલશે કે ના બધું સરસ છે ને એટલે
Okay.
વેલ વિશર ટાઈપ છે
On.
આ વેલ વિશર ના કહી શકીએ એમ છે અને આ
TD
મીતા
dot
માસી છે ને મારા
org ID.
ઓકે મીતા હા તો તેજસ ભૈયા જે છે તે તો જયંત
Equal to
માસાના
OD
દાદા
dot org ID.
અને આ ઈશ્વરભાઈ જે છે એમના દાદા સગા ભાઈ
अच्छा
Good. Now go to your.
રાઠોડ રાઠોડ જ છે
Mhm.
આ લોકો બી જયંત રાઠોડ તેજસ રાઠોડ ભાવના રાઠોડ
अच्छा
Do I remove this star?
રાઠોડ જ છે એક જ ફેમિલી છે
Remove the OD dot.
તો રાત્રમાં બી આવ્યું તો મળવા જાત
Okay.
Comma.
બટ
And just to be on the
અશોક
safe
ભાઈ
side,
સાથે
OD dot
જયંત
master
માસાએ
company
જોડ્યા
code.
अच्छा
નામ નતા નાખતા લાતુર
Mhm.
કટકમાં અને
કામા.
એવું બધું બી બોલ્યા હતા અને
Count
એમ
star.
અને માસી બી મીતા ભાભીથી ના વાત કરતા મીના
That's it.
મીતા ભાભી વચવાના છે
Then we don't we
પણ
want
મોટા
to do
વાળાથી
the
તો બધા કરતા
yeah, group by.
રિસ્પેક્ટેડ ફેમિલી જેમ ડોક્ટર
Group by whatever you have just selected.
ઈ ડોક્ટર નથી હાઉસવાઈફ હતી
Group by order by.
બધેથી રિલેશન રાખવા આખા
Group by copy,
લાતુરમાં ઈ લોકોનું
those two
નામ
columns
છે.
just select them.
ને ઈશ્વર ડોક્ટરના જે પપ્પા હતા મનજીભાઈ તો એ મનજીભાઈ
Mhm.
એને કીધું હતું કે તને હું ડોક્ટર બનાવું
Then
છું
order by.
તું બી આજે ડોક્ટર બન્યો છે ખાલી મારા પાસે એક પ્રોમિસ કર કે
By
કોઈ
what?
ગરજુ તને દેખાશે અને એના પાસે પૈસા નહીં હોય તો એને તું પૈસા ના
Then same thing?
લેજે
Okay.
ફ્રીમાં દે
Yeah.
આજે બી અગર કોઈ બી ઓપરેશન મોટા ઓપરેશન બી ફોકટમાં કરી દે પોતાના ઉપર ખર્ચો લઈને બી કરી નાખે
Okay.
Okay.
Have the
એટલે એનું
results.
Copy and
ઘણું
paste it.
લાતુરમાં બી
There you go. You have
હાર્ટ
question mark, question
સ્પેશિયલિસ્ટ
mark. The lady is
આજે બી ભૈયા કાર્ડિયોલોજિસ્ટ
What?
અને આજે બી ભૈયા એમડી અને કાર્ડિયોલોજિસ્ટ અને ભૈયા બી એમ જ છે એ બી આજે સરસ સંભાળી લીધું
They're not even June.
એ અમદાવાદમાં બી ભણીને આવ્યા
I don't know if it's not letting me.
You got bunch of LADs, buddy.
बनाओ क्या
That's why you got June issues too.
Oh,
Now, do me a favor, because you got that many records with listing company. Go back one. Put accounting. You got the anything balance. Copy and paste them there first. Copy and paste that. Did any of them balance in the row down? No. See? Okay. Yeah. So we got a major problem with your company code on when you're loading your policies and delta. Question mark means there's bunch of LAD. Do me a favor, we'll write this joint slightly differently. Can you select this company, hit enter, don't change anything yet, hit enter. Select out from CS, claim Paul, delta. Got a bigger problem that you will need it to debug. You got about 7 million LAD in your policy size.
Oh, policy delta, okay.
Just put CS underscore claim policy. No, not that. CS claim underscore Paul underscore delta. Right? Is it claim policy?
Yes,
Right?
all this, yes.
You're not getting any wrong.
Yeah, it's not. I don't think it's
Alright,
Policy delta.
okay, got it.
Yeah, that's right.
Got it. I think because you didn't put semicolon on line 6, you're not getting prompts on.
okay. Let's see.
You're not getting any. Okay, good. Now slowly scroll down to your left.
Right,
Please.
you're right.
Now the team this one as company code. See, even this is LAD. See how source system is question mark? Scroll down please. Why? Some number not known, all columns are blank, policy head code, policy suffix really.
Because it's all converted claim
They are
related.
not populating all these.
They are not ringing.
They're not billing, so they're not billing company?
I need to check in source.
Yeah. So how did you, so if you use this, so are you doing custom policy extract?
Yes.
So do me a favor.
I mean, this one, plain policy delta is whatever commission.
But the point is, look, columns are null here. So therefore you're loading no data. So therefore you can balance by company code. Even though the amounts might, you can probably, without company code, your numbers will balance. Let's prove that.
Yes, all.
So do me a favor. Now write the case statement for how to write the due dates with this. So, bottom line is we got to redo data upload. So this load cannot be salvaged with that many LAD. And so first thing we need to find out what's going on. So you got to run extract and all. So we're going to meet Emma tomorrow all day.
And which we can get some screen access where we can.
Encore production. Oh. How did this pass by?
There is no data.
No, somewhere we were loading less than millions. So like pulling it away in lower levels, right? Where were you getting company code from?
Did we check on? Yes, we did.
So if you didn't say company code in lower level environment, so how did you get company code in production if they don't migrate policy data from claim to claim policy?
It's not coming null from source. From source, they are bringing.
Check if there's company code in claim, CC claim, please.
That's what
No, you focus on this for me. Again, that problem with me. Look up claim center data dictionary, see if there's underwriting code in CC.
It's in underwriting company is in CC policy.
Check in if it's also there in claim.
But what are we doing? Because like we want to run in data hub.
In data hub, we want to run without company code, the total. But that's the reason why the numbers might be that off between that query and this query, because 7 million records are LAD.
No.
Huh? There's no company code anywhere. Okay. So how did you pass it?
Company code we are getting from CC policy. We are getting that from there.
Correct. But you guys just told me the migration team is not migrating anything into CC policy.
So CC policy they are doing it.
If they're migrating, then why I saw your hundreds of thousands of records with master company code and company code were now. There are no values in the column. And if you use the same data to load TX policy delta, you're obviously going to populate question marks.
1 second, sir. Let me see DMQA1. I'm going there. No, there I'm seeing in DMQA1 all CC policy has complete.
Show me the master company code and the other company code. It's okay, just roll down, Hari. Much faster that way.
It's underwriting code. Name is underwriting code. Column is underwriting code. Run this thing.
And process, give the same query to him, ask her to run it, change that.
So this is not product.
Then why did we think of it? We got bigger issue. That's another reason why we need
All companies, all record has complete all.
we don't have access to the production. So this is not a very large.
Shall we take it? Yes.
Can this we will check, okay, let's check claim center, see what's happening in production. If they have data, then we'll also check extract, what's happening in our extract, why we are not picking up. It could also be that we in our spreadsheet might be out of date in reference data or MRDL, something like that. That could also be causing problems for us. Did you refresh ref master confirmed or whatever view after loading the spreadsheet? Good. Let's see what this thing is saying. Okay. Is this still? Hello, could you please run this in production? Claim center?
Claim center, please.
Okay.
And then we need to see why we are getting that many LAD. Or we need to confirm that they are LAD. When I saw question mark, usually question mark is LAD. Because default is NA, right, for now.
Company type.
So one thing at a time. So let's start hitting enter after from your from.
Yeah.
And then CP for CP join either space please after CP. Before join keyword on the same line.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see. Thank you. I think that's the
Hit
point.
enter. Hit enter.
Actually,
That's why I don't like to write no, before the join, so that the join is in a new line.
Is it in? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And then group by should be on its own line.
Okay.
I think it's removing, Slack is removing.
Okay. Result is out.
Okay, so this is what it is. So claim center is good. So now, let's actually go ahead and take a look at, show me, go back to Data Hub window, please. And then select start from claim quality data. Right? See that you have the UWCO code. You see that? Underwriting company code, about middle, where all the views are.
Are you talking to? You want me to do something?
Yeah.
What did he say?
See that UWCO code. Remove the star from the last query.
Okay.
UW_CO_CD,
Oh, okay. I see. Okay.
comma. There should be a fall_CO_code also.
No.
Okay, come start. Underwriting company code, come start.
Uh-huh.
Close to the right. Minimize your black window and close slowly to the. Good? Yeah. Sorry. Slowly to your right, please. Underwriting group, underwriting company code. Keep going, please. Keep going all the way to the end. Okay, sir, we are all that. Now the column, the column, company. Okay, good. Beautiful. Start from group by underwriting company code.
Mm-hmm.
Robin, please. Okay. So, sorry, the question mark is only one bracket. But big problem is null on 396,000 or that is what is causing problem. So show me the other row counts please on the spreadsheet.
Claim policy delta.
This is what CC policy is showing for those row counts.
But in our comparison,
It doesn't matter. No, right, every record has an underwriting company code in claim policy. So why will 396,000 records have null in our claim policy delta?
are we comparing against claim policy delta or claim policy delta?
Claim policy. Forget policy delta for now because your policy delta is being sourced from claim policy delta, right, to a certain extent, not minimum.
No,
So,
we are sourcing it from CC policy, right? Not from claim policy delta. Yeah, CC policy.
either way, then you got a major problem here, right? पहले claim center वाला ठीक से load करो ना, policy was बाद में देखते हैं.
Claim policy delta, it's in no fact, right? Not in the.
It's a fact, actually. It's not the fact. Don't worry about the fact. I'm talking about you got a basic extract issue.
Because of the claim policy. No.
Whatever it may be, claim center, every record has underwriting company. So we have an entity called claim policy. That should match what's in claim center. 390,000 records are not. So that's the problem. The fact that you're using that same thing to load claim regular policy delta, you are complicating the problem. Because the same problem, same logic you're using. You didn't invent a new logic. Right?
But is that same problem coming in CC policy also? Like in the policy delta, yes, policy delta. It's coming because it's the same source. Same.
This is the extract, euros for claim. Show me the source please. Okay, CC policy, so on. And this is going into CS policy delta.
We wrote a separate. No, it's not same thing.
This extract, is it going into claim pol delta or is it going to
Claim policy.
So take this, give this query to Emma and run it and we can look at the data. The next thing that could be a problem here is we could be mismatching the columns in the TRF. So that we should be nulling now. That would be the next. Exclude the where clause, give her that, everything about the where clause and ask her to execute. Email this to her.
Let me run this.
show me the policy that that's what you want. So we try to, we should not balance the money. We know we are redoing this load anyway. Let's find out all the things that are wrong with it and correct. Redo the data. But the point is, order by descending so that now it will float to the top.
Or maybe descent on
I don't care, even if you're extracting a perfect artifact, it's not loading correctly to data. So you have a problem there, right? I have 390,000 now.
PhD is old record of that. Standard code PhD is old record. Open it. And take the wrong count of it.
There you go, keep going.
Nothing maybe.
Right, why doesn't this match with delta? Show me TRM, run this query against TRM.
Might be real problem.
But the point is, why did it take care in lower levels, right? Right, yeah.
When I see my
Yes.
in the morning.
Yes. TRM, same problem. Are we loading the claim policy extract into policy delta into the same table and then doing a combined load, or is it doing policy load, delta load twice? Once with claim policy and once with regular policy?
We have tried two unions, carried union in the policy extraction itself. They check for only for converted policies or converted claim related policy.
So in regular policy delta extract, you're doing once against policy center and once against claim center in the same thing and putting them all in the same tier. So at least I won't create a differential. Once we do this, give this to her. The TRF also looks good. Give this to Emma. Emma, can you execute this please? In Data Hub.
Yes.
Not be different.
Let's see. If that matches the top section in terms of the row count,
Oh,
you want it, no, it's going to, yeah, it's a joint transaction line item itself.
અવાજ વધારે છે મને રેકોર્ડ નહીં થતું.
So how come it's missing a bunch of
5 and 6, 4 and 6. This is claim policy.
correct? When you ran claim policy, you got 5 rows.
Yeah.
And when Emma ran against claim center, you get 5 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, right?
You went to other two.
Forget it.
Show it to other two.
Yeah, we only get 3. Yeah.
5, 13. 5, 3, 0, 0, 9, 0.
Hey, is it because I'm pulling data as a particular date? But the row comes match for those 1, 2, 3?
2 and 3 matching. 1 can you say?
Yeah, can you show one?
1 is not matching. Yeah, 1 is here.
And it's even less, way less. Look at the row counts in Claim Center.
Yeah, it is more there. It is less.
The data hub is very less.
2 and
No,
3
data
matching.
hub.
This
This
is
is
matching.
data hub. This is data hub. Oh, this is data hub, right?
It is data hub in DMQA1. Which is DMQA1 has more, but DMQA1 has right data. Fraud is less.
Yeah, but shows fraud peaks. Yeah, fraud, the row counts. This is what? This is data hub, right? Fraud.
Data fraud.
Right. Can you show Claim Center fraud for me, please? The row count.
No, Claim Center fraud is matching with DMQA1. We already checked.
But I just want to see it now. One more.
One second. Let me send me.
So how come we have this few rows? So if Claim Center is saying 800,000, we only got 500,000.
Not loaded properly.
Loaded.
There was no error.
Yeah, that's broken. So something is happening in the extract. So if we are not extracting all the rows, look at this row. This is 500. Yeah. We missed 300,000 rows. That matches the black value. And that could be the LAD. Can you go check if you're now? Can you do me a favor? In policy delta, can you check whether later writing flag equal to true? Emma, can you actually? Oh, you can do that, Emma.
No, I
DS policy delta. Pair. ETL. Late. Arriving flag equal to true. Okay. Give this there. How's that? Why are you not getting all the data?
But how come CRM completed?
Because it extracted what it loaded, right? So something is not. Next we need to check the update. We need to check the update time in CS claim policy data.
Emma, can you run the query that I sent?
Yes.
So we are missing over 300 some odd thousand claims.
I should run it here, right?
Data. Then can it be a problem related to our date?
That's what that's why I want to check the date, create time and update that. Next one will be updated.
How many?
84261.
Yeah.
That's
But that's claim policy, right? So these 84 policy delta records could be on 300,000 claims. Claim policy is based on claim ID equal to claim ID. So that makes sense. So first of all, you can't have this many later arriving in production. That's number one.
so let me.
Now let's actually find that one of those policy keys. So what is the purpose of this? Any purpose? We know that we got this problem, right? So what do we want to do, right? Why did we get this data value less? Is that the solution?
But why is it coming in production, not in DMQ? Is also a
That's
question.
right. That's what, right? We need to see the date thing, right? So the only thing that I can think of is, can you do min and go back to claim center, please?
You're asking me?
No. Emma, can you go back to claim center window? Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Hit new line and also put semicolon, please. Whenever a query is over, put a semicolon. That way you will
Okay.
get
It doesn't. Oh, okay.
select min update time.
Select what?
Min update time.
Min of bracket.
Open parenthesis min. Right inside the update time and max update time. Update time.
Time like this?
There's no space. It's a standard insurance
Oh,
field.
okay.
It's called create
I
time
don't
and
do
update
space.
time.
Okay.
Min update time. Close the parenthesis, please.
Mm-hmm.
Comma max update time.
Okay.
From DC policy.
Mm-hmm.
So
Run that, please.
That's it? Okay. Oh. Stick.
Okay. So everything is between 6:20 and 6:30. Okay. Do me a favor.
6:30, there are so many.
Yeah. So do me a favor. Select count stars from CC policy.
અને હજી એક બે વાળા વન પ્લસની મંગાવી દે હજી મમ્મીને
From CC policy where
મંગાવું છું એમેઝોનથી મંગાવી
cash. Where cash. Open parenthesis. Cash, not cash.
CAST.
Cast?
Start.
Okay.
Yeah. Past update time and date.
Mm-hmm.
Update time space as date.
Mm-hmm.
Add. Update time
Oh,
as
add date.
space.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
No, sir, can you remove add? It is as, AS.
Oh, and. Okay.
As, AS. As,
Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Mm-hmm.
alias. Yeah.
Alias,
Data
yeah.
date is equal to
બોર્ડમાં જોવા પડશે
Equal to?
outside the parenthesis equal to single quote 2024 0630.
ફ્લિપકાર્ટ
Okay.
Further please.
They updated me today.
Flipkart Mart.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, what a bang of it.
So this is what happens. So that's the reason why I don't like to put a day prior or anything, load everything
1799
up to that point when they hand over. That's why we say you finish all your things, you hand over to us.
We did the date till yesterday.
Right, so that's why in the meantime 300 rows got updated to 30th. 300,000.
300,000 happened today.
Yeah.
But
By the way, when you do this, do me a favor.
that is wrong.
No, this is right.
No, but how come CC policies update time can be today? Today.
Right.
In legacy source system, it should not be today, right?
I don't know why they did what they did. They must have run some batch process to change something. When they ran the
But why are we
deductible.
even checking update time?
That's our CDC for CC policy. That's why we did
Update time. CDC is on update time.
Update, create or update.
Create time. Create time. Create time or update time. Or can you run the Emma same thing? Can you run create time? Yeah. Can you run create time? We don't.
It's all update.
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
Okay.
Emma?
What did you say?
Guys, I'm going to my set. Take to the wall and line you up.
એટલે ખબર
JBL mutual card છે.
So Emma, can you copy paste that query? Line number 11.
બ્લેક
Mm-hmm.
રેડમ
I
દેખાય
am considering but because
And
the
do what?
reason
બ્લેક કલર
change update time to create time. There is create time.
I had that. Okay.
You're running alone. How can we create time today, right? Because these policies are updated long back.
So whenever they add it, like they load properly, the same times will match, okay?
Both are things.
Is it the same? Was it the same? 3694. I think it was.
They created.
They are not even updating.
No, that happened after midnight. So that's why they had a
It's different. It's not the same. It's
I mean,
different.
they were right because their job was running after midnight yesterday.
આજે જ આવી જશે
So
Right, it ran until next morning.
90,000 rows today.
Right.
Today's date.
Right. Because they were still
મારા
running.
ઓફિસમાં કાલે આવશે
So we should rerun now.
ઘરમાં અહીંયા
We
આજે
should rerun and put everything with
First we have to change the user config.
init user config.
As end of today.
Right.
Some color change
11:59:59.
લઈ આવ્યું
So everything boils down to
Not 11:59:59 because if they might act.
ખરાબ જ થઈ ગઈ છે
no.
Yeah.
They didn't do it.
એક
Okay.
બે
No,
વચમાં થોડું
Are you sure?
ખેંચાઈ જાય ને
Yeah, that's,
Nothing happened after 5 p.m.
Okay. We can. But no, the point is that tomorrow they're not going to run any
Normally,
process to
I'm
create anything between 5 p.m. and 12, 11:15, 15 of June.
2002
Right? They're not doing anything till a week. Okay.
Z
Perfect.
છે
Then let's go.
So Emma, so everything is
2299.
just the date.
Because there could be many such
Z2
issues.
ANC change.
So I think rerunning should make